Assalamu Walaikum. In this video I will show you how to calculate age from present date in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Firstly, format the cell and type your date of birth. Type your formula equal to dated if first bracket date field comma today first bracket last bracket comma quote y quote finish first bracket close and quote year and press enter. Now I will calculate month and date. Copy the formula and type and paste formula YM month copy the formula again, type and paste today and press enter. Now I will create a space between the letter. Now press the plus button and remove the bellow. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.